Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is the 21st of December. We are here with Charlie's Advent Calendar, and we are going to pick our 21st envelope. So we're going to open this together and find out what goodies we have today. Ooh, look at this. That is beautiful. A beautiful pink fine glitter. This is called Pink Gin. How beautiful is that? This is a 4-gram bag. Only available at charliesnailart.co.uk. I'll put that across the screen, as well as my 10% off code. All caps, nailed it 10. So let's get this. I've got a nail here. I'm going to get a pink out because I always paint the nail close to the same color as the glitter. So I will go in with this pink from Diva in a Bottle. It is from Springlicious. Ooh, my cap just came off. Don't twist it there. Whoopsie. So we're going to paint this nail pink. This is a beautiful, beautiful pink. I'm going to tap the end of my nail because I did cut this from a stiletto. I'm giving this a cure. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I have painted this nail a beautiful pink by Diva in a Bottle. There is no number. Either I've lost it or rubbed it off, one of the two. I am going to take She Modern's glue gel and put on the nail, cover it from cuticle to free edge, to your tip, your sidewall to sidewall. This way your glitter will stick everywhere, and you want full coverage. Pop her back in the lamp for a cure. You don't need a full cure, just a 30-second. And we've got this beautiful, beautiful fine, I want to say it's hollow, because I see blue sparkle in it, but I think the mailman's finally here. I'm filming at night this time. Woohoo! It's like 6:45 at night and the mail's just finally being delivered. I don't know about that. Anyways, this is Pink Gin by Charlie's Nail Art Glitter Mix. Beautiful, beautiful color. Oh, I gotta get this out of there. I'm gonna put this really pretty pink bow on it. I thought about some other gems, but I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it. I want to put this bow, and I thought it would look really pretty with the pink mix. So we are going to pour. Whoops, 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 tap, 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 whoops. Just keep covering them, or pour until you think you've got full coverage. Tap it off a little bit. I like to push it down into the glue. Even pick some more up with my finger and press down into the glue just in case. That is pretty. That is really beautiful. You wipe it off my hands. I think that is just gorgeous. So I'm going to pop this back in the lamp. Give it a little bit of another cure. I feel it helps adhere it better into the glue. I only spilled a little, not a lot. I'm making progress. So we will top coat with the beetles when it comes out. And that's what I'm going to use to adhere the bow. I'm going to put 2 coats That way it is very smooth. Very smooth. Oh, and I've lost the nail. Nail down. Nail down. Oh. Okay, we are back. Got the nail off the floor. I'm now going to top coat. Have something handy to wipe your nail or your brush off with. So just in case any glitter comes up, I've never had a problem. Give it another cure. With this next one, we will adhere the bow. I think that'll look really cute. And again, my code for Charlie's, because I am an ambassador, is NailedIt10, all in caps. Please use it. Help yourself out. You can, I mean, that's just at Christmas time. Any time of the year, why not save 10%? Charlie's has got very cheap quality nail art. And then you can get yourself 10% off your total bill. I think that is just a cool thing. So please use it whenever you want to. If you know anybody else who's into Charlie's nail art, please, send them over to check out my 24 days of advent calendar. I'd appreciate that. If I haven't asked you already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Look how beautiful this is. I think that it's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. There we go, and I'm going to slowly slide this into my lamp. I have a bad habit of things moving on me. This time I am going to give it a full cure. Some lamps it could be 60 seconds, others it could be 30. It all depends on the wattage of your lamp. So check out your lamp, UV, LED, see what your wattage is, and then, adjust it by that. I hope you're all having a good month of December. Staying safe. Oh, please hold. Alright, I'm back. I'm terribly sorry about that. That was the dentist calling to confirm my appointment. My nail is cured and oh so cute. This one is not exactly Christmassy looking. I don't have any Christmas looking bows. I could have put a Christmas tree on it. Oh, why didn't I? Aww. I had a Christmas tree out too. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, maybe next time I can add it to something else. But this is our little nail for today. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I would greatly appreciate it. And there's a text message from the dentist, probably. Again, this is Pink Gin. That is it on our nail. I think it turned out really beautiful. Leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that as well. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.